Number 5, we're going to test sigma is 2.2 versus greater than 2.2. Sample size 17, known to be normal. First, we're going to do the test statistic. So with StatCrunch, variance, one sample, summary. We got to find the square so we can get the variance. The sample variance is 2.3. I'm going to do 2.3 squared. 5.29. Sample size was 17. We got to square the 2.2. 4.84. Make sure we do the right test. I'm sorry, I hit enter too soon. Let me go to options, edit. We want greater than test. Now we can compute. All right, so my test statistic, 3 decimal places this time, 17,488. 17,488. The alpha 0.01, find that critical value. Options, critical value 0.01. We get 31.999, and it'll give us roughly 32. Right tail test, so D. You can see that our test statistic is 17 less than the 32, so it's not in the rejection region. We will not reject the null. Don't have enough evidence to support. So one problem it was greater than, and then this problem is less than. So it depends on what side that test is, but you can see it's not in the rejection region. So do not reject HO. Our test statistic is less. This says greater than. Our and it says do not reject. This is less than. There we go. 6 null sigma 1.8 versus greater than, sample size 23, known to be normal. Sample standard deviation is 2.5. We're going to find the test statistic. So let's do a new variance. We got to square the 2.5. We get 6.25. Sample size was 23. The 1.8, we got to find that. 1.8 squared. 3.24. And we are testing greater than. Compute. Let me close this one up. We get 42.44. P-value 0.0055. 3 decimal places, so 0.006, less than 1%. We're testing at alpha equals 0.05. So since the p-value is less than alpha, we will reject the null. There's strong evidence in favor of the alternative. So p-value is less than, we will reject the null.